Let's get your Spectrum remote working with your cable box. First, try auto pairing. Just press and hold the CBL button on your remote until the LED blinks. Aim the remote at your cable box. This usually works for newer Spectrum boxes. If that doesn't work, you can manually enter a code. Check Spectrum's website, spectrum.net/support, or the Spectrum TV app for a list of codes specific to your cable box model. Common codes include 0171 for Aris boxes and 0247 for Motorola. For voice-enabled remotes, like the Spectrum 105 or 106, simply say Pair Cable Box after you've enabled voice control in your settings. Once paired, test it by changing channels and adjusting the volume. If it's not responding, try the pairing process again or reset the remote by holding the TV and OK buttons for 3 seconds. Having trouble with your Spectrum remote? First, make sure there's nothing blocking the remote's signal to the cable box. Common obstructions include furniture, walls, or other electronics that can interfere with the infrared signal. If your remote is voice-enabled, ensure voice control is properly set up in the settings menu. Check that the microphone is enabled and that you're using supported voice commands for your Spectrum remote model. If you're still having issues with pairing, it may be that you have an outdated cable box model and may need to contact Spectrum for assistance with code lookups for older models. They can provide specific codes for legacy equipment. Another thing to watch out for is battery life. Rechargeable models typically last 6 to 12 months with regular use. If your remote seems unresponsive, try recharging or replacing the batteries first. If all else fails, Spectrum support is your best bet. You can reach them at 1-800-892-4357 for device-specific help with pairing and troubleshooting your cable box setup. The Spectrum TV app also has a built-in troubleshooting guide that can help resolve most common issues. Download the app and navigate to the Help section for step-by-step assistance with remote pairing and setup. Finally, always keep your equipment software updated, as outdated models are the cause of around 70% of reported issues. Check for firmware updates through the Spectrum app or your cable box settings to ensure compatibility and optimal performance.